I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last?
Welcome. This is Cavi TV and my name is Cavanese. On my channel, I do a little DIY, day in my life. I do a little singing. I share my thoughts, just me living my life. So if you're interested in what I do, please feel free to join the community. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You are the ones that motivate me to do this. So please stay tuned to see what I have in this vlog. So as you can tell, this is a DIY video. Now for those who are new to DIY is just literally making something yourself. You see something that you want to make and you do it yourself. You want to make a dupe of something, something just came to mind and you just create it and bring it to life. That is the beauty of DIY. You can just literally make something out of nothing. So I'll be making a vase. I'm using 2 olive oil bottles. There are 2 different sizes because I wanted it to have that, layered look. So what I'm gonna do is paint it black, but not black, because I want to keep the green undertone. So I'm not gonna do like too many coats because I want that green to like seep through. I could have let it stayed green because this green is really beautiful. I love it, but I didn't want it to look like I just took it out of my cupboard and just put it on the table. So that's why I added the little black to it to just spruce it up a bit. So yeah, just stick around to see the end result. right, guys, so that's it for this vlog. So everything that I used, it cost me $5. Okay, so the paint, the brush, this picture frame that the bottles are resting on, this beaded thing right here, $1.25 each. So it cost me $5. Now, what I use to make the vase, these bottles, I already had them. They were olive oil bottles, right? And I took this from my flowers that I already had. So, that's the thing about DIY. You can, reuse the stuff around your house and just make it beautiful. So, yeah, it didn't cost me much, right? So, I hope that this vlog was helpful to somebody. Remember, in this economic crisis, you don't need to stress yourself about, purchasing expensive stuff. DIY is there. Reuse stuff around your house. Get stuff from Dollar Tree and just be creative. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoy this one. And please remember to like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Big up.